Hi everyone, this is Radha. Welcome back to my channel CYR is English. Dear viewers, today in this video I am going to talk about the subject-verb agreement. So we all know that there are different auxiliaries or helping verbs in English, right? Such as to be form, to do form, have form and models, right? So here in this video I am going to discuss about the subject verb agreement of to be forms. Well, in this video let's learn how to use different present and past to be forms with the different subjects. So without further ado, let's get started. What is subject-verb agreement of to be forms? Before that, a verb must agree with its subject. So that is called subject-verb agreement. In number and person. What is number? Number means it indicates singular and plural. Let's look at the second point. A singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. So this is very important. Singular subject takes always singular verb and plural subject takes plural verb. So let's know more about it. And before that, let's know what are to be forms. To be forms. See here I have written present to be forms and past to be forms. What are present to be forms? Am, is and are. Was and were are past to be forms. And here I have written present tense to be forms here with the different subjects when subject is in singular, whereas when subject is in plural. How to use them? Okay, let's see one by one. See, I is first person and you have to remember I is always follows am auxiliary verb. Am to be form. You can observe anywhere in any textbook. I is always follows am to be form. Isn't it? Okay. I over. See, I is singular subject and we are talking about present tense. I follows am helping verb. I mean to be form. Okay. Next. And what is second person? Here, you is the second person. But why I have written this here, because you is considered as singular and plural also. There is no changes in to be form. There is no changes the usage of to be form with you. Okay. So here you follows are. If it is in singular as well as in plural. You are. Okay. Next. Let's come to third person. He, she and it and name. See, in the place of name we can take any name. Hari, Manu, Sheila, Sarala, so on. Here, he is, she is, it is. In the place of it, we can take any things, I mean objects or animals, so on. So, it is. So, he, she and it and names follows is to be form. When when it is singular. I think you are clear. I am, he is, she is, it is, Hari is. I used the name Hari in the place of name. Okay, fine. Now in present tense, how to use to be form with plural subjects. Okay, plural subjects. You, they and we are used as plural subjects. Then how do we use them? You are, they are and we are. Okay. See, what does plural subject indicate? So we all know that you here, when it is plural, it represents more than one person or one thing or one animal. Okay, here they also, they means it is plural subject and it is also represents more than one person. And we, first person plural subject. This is third person plural subject. This is second person plural subject. So with these subjects we will use or to be form when we talk about the present tense or present events. Hope you understood. I am, he is, she is, it is, and Hari is, you are, they are, we are. So this is all about present tense. How to use present to be forms with different subjects. Okay, fine. Next, coming to past tense. How to use past to be forms with different subjects. Okay. See here, when we talk about the past tense, when we talk about the past events, we have to use was to be form. Was. I was. I was a teacher. I was a child. So let us discuss with examples later. Now, I was. See here, I am. I used I am, isn't it? So this is about present tense. Here, I was. This is first person in past tense. Next, second person here. You were. There is no changes of to be form here. We will use were. You were. Here you are, isn't it? Yes, we have used you are here in past tense. You were. You were. Okay. Or will become were. This is second person. This is first person. I was. You were. Next, third person. He, she, it, again name. When these subject come in past tense, we have to use was. Yes, we have used is when we talk about present tense. Here, we have to use was when we explain past events with these subjects. And these are singular subjects, right? Whereas, when we come to plural subjects, you were, they were, then we were. So this is to be remembered. See here, so this is the differences. And you can notice here, we have used only was and were when we talk about the past tense. And here, we have used am, is and are. These three to be forms in present tense. So these are the main difference of to be forms and of subject verb agreement. And let's see with examples. Here we have some exercises. See, I have written 10 questions and you have to fill up these blanks with the correct to be forms. It can be present to be form or past to be form. So, you take a minute and try to fill it. See, now I have written the answers in the blanks. Now you have to check once whether you have written correctly or not. Check it once. Now I will explain how I used this to be forms. Okay. See, I am a girl. As per rules, I already explained, I always follows am in present tense. Then, how do we find out whether the sentence is in present or past tense? It's very simple. See, if you read a sentence, you can easily make out whether it is, see, I am a girl. Here, there is no any past tense linking words such as, see here, in third question, we can see the last year, isn't it? The word last year is here, no? It indicates this is something happened in past tense. Okay. If you find such words in sentence, it is obviously that is past tense. If there is no any such words in a sentence, it is very obvious it is present tense. Okay. See here in first question, there is no any such words which indicate something past tense. So it is present tense. So I used am. I am a girl. Next, my father is at work. This sentence is also in present tense. Why? Because there is no any past tense linking words. Isn't it? See, there is no any words which are linked to past tense. So it is present tense. Next, Manu and Hari were my friends last year. See, you can notice here we can see two subjects, right? Manu and Hari. We can see here two members, right? See, if the subject is in plural, we have to use plural to be form, that is verb. Why we have used verb here? No, because the sentence is in past tense. See, this word is the clue. Last year, which indicates something occurred in past. Okay. So, in this way, we can make out whether the sentence is in present or past. So, this sentence is obviously past tense. Now, coming to fourth one. The tiger is in the cage. So, is the correct to be form here. Why? Because there is no any clue for past tense. There is no any clue which indicates past tense. Okay, so it is present tense. Next, fifth one. I dash a painter 5 years ago. You can notice here this phrase 5 years ago. This indicates something happened in past tense. Okay. So once, not now, 5 years ago in past, I was a painter. I was a painter, but not now. So this 5 years ago is the clue of past tense. Next, sixth one. Her pen dash on the table. In this sentence, there is no any past tense clues. So, it is obviously in present tense. So, in present tense, the pen. See, pen is an object. So, this is considered as the subject it. It or pen, isn't it? So, pen is on the table. So, pen is. Pencil is. So, we can use in that way. The seventh one. They dash playing when I went to his home. See, you can notice here. When I went to his home. This phrase tells us that this sentence is in past tense. It's very obvious. I went. Went is the past tense verb. So, the sentence is in past tense. So, as per the subject, they is plural subject, then past tense. What? Were. Were is the right to be form. So, they were playing when I went to his home. When I went to his home, some children or people or whoever, but they were playing. So, this is also in past tense. Next, eighth one. Once he was a beggar, but now he is a rich man. So, it's very clear. Once, not now. It means once. Once, this indicate something past tense. Something past. Once he was a beggar. Once he was a beggar. That man. But now he became rich man. So now he is. Now represents present tense. Once represents past tense. So I used was here and I used is here because this phrase is in present tense. Okay, so was and is the correct to be form. Ninth one. Elephant dash not a pet animal. So we have no any past tense clues in this sentence here. So it is obviously present tense. Elephant is not a pet animal. Okay, next the 10th one. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891. See, when we talk about the date of births of people, so we must be very careful. We don't use present tense helping verbs. We have to use was to be forms. Always we have to use was to be form. And we should not use is to be forms with date of births. So this is the point to be remembered. So when we talk about someone's date of birth, we must use was to be form. So these are the exercises and I hope you understood something, dear viewers. So in this video we have learned how to use to be forms. So in next video let us learn the subject verb agreement part 2. How to use other different auxiliaries with action verbs with different subjects. Okay. Until then, keep watching and keep learning. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.